Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to change the website language in our Wix website. So here I am in my website dashboard, and then just scroll to settings, scroll down to general, and then click on language and region. From here, you will have an option to change the website language. So in my case, it disappeared since I already enabled the Wix multilingual option. So what you will do is enable first the Wix multilingual option. And then I will go to the multilingual page, and then it will have this one. Make sure you have this one present in your website, and then from here you can just choose to add language. And then for example, I will add Tagalog, and then I can choose the flag that I want, and then I have an option to manually translate my website or use an AI. For this, I'll just use manual translation because AI doesn't translate the words accurately sometimes. And then you can choose if you want to make the site visible in Tagalog right away. I can just click on yes, and then I will click on add language. And from here, we have added another language into our website. You can change the main language if you want. Just choose main language, click the three dots, and then click on set regional format. And from here, you can change the website that you prefer for your main language. And then from here, let's just go to our Wix website editor. If you don't know how to go there, just from here, from the dashboard, just click on setup and then click on design site. And then you will be redirected here. Then from here, you will have an automatic language menu be added to your Wix website. But in case that you don't have that, just click on add elements and then search for language menus. And then you will be redirected here from your sidebar, and then you have here different options for your language menus. So choose the one that you want. For example, I'll choose this one. I'll just drag and drop it into the website, and then from here I can double click on this, and then I will click on manage language. Then double check that it has the English content and Tagalog translation. And from here, you can manually translate your websites. For example, let's just go to the home page. Here from the home, I can put some manual translations. So for about us, I'll just put tungkol sa atin, a translation. I mean like Sammy. And then next, for learn more, and then I'll just put some translations here. And then, for example, I'm done with that. I can just click on save. And then we will go back to our editor, our Wix website. And then from here, I can click on navigate. And then I can click on the Tagalog language. And then from here, we will see our translation. We will just wait for it to load. And then from here, we have our automatic translation. So the R services text became translate it in Tagalog, which I edited earlier manually, and then it became Mga Serbisyo Namin. And then that's how you change the website language in your Wix website. So you'll just need to finish all of the manual translations if you have chosen the manual translation. But if you have an option for the machine translation, you can do that as well. And then that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to change the language of your website, and thank you for watching.